Hello guys, welcome back to Aroma Talks. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family. So today I have another beautiful DIY cream for you. This is carrot cream. You can use this on face and body. It's going to help with the blemishes, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, acne scars, acne, dark spots, and it's also going to help brighten up your skin a little bit. So please keep watching. I'm going to be using 1 carrot, but you can use 2 or 3 or more depending on the quantity that you want to make. Natural shea butter, some coconut oil, but you can use olive oil if you don't have coconut oil, 2 vitamin E capsules, rosemary essential oil, but this is optional. If you love essential oils as much as I do, then feel free to use any of your choice. A mixing bowl and a mixing spoon, and then a container. So let's get started. Go ahead, peel your carrot. You can use a carrot peeler or a knife, whatever you have on hand. So after peeling your carrot, the next step is to grate our carrot. Carrots are packed with minerals, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which has healing properties. It helps skin recover faster from external wounds and trauma. Carrots also reduces skin inflammation, which speeds the healing process. This is our grated carrot. Oh yeah, it's so tempting, guys. I love carrots, so I really want to eat this. Okay, so let's go ahead and strain our carrot because we're going to be using carrot juice. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead, click on that subscribe button down below. There's also that bell icon. Go ahead, click on it so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now scoop some shea butter out of the jar and add it to your mixing bowl. High concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredient for softening skin. It also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. So using shea butter on your body can condition, tone, and soothe your skin. Add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. This helps reduce inflammation, keep skin moisturized, and help heal wounds. Add your carrot juice and mix well. I'm going to go ahead and add my rosemary essential oil, and I'm gonna go with 2 drops. Add your 2 capsules of vitamin A oil and mix well. Rosemary oil's antiseptic properties are beneficial to skin conditions such as eczema. Now my cream is ready. As you can see, guys, I love the consistency. It's really good. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to my storage container, and I'm good to go. I use this cream 3 times a week, and it takes me about 3 months. Just store this in a cool place. It won't go bad so quick. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.